We are now showing the different units of this machine. We start with the control panel on the operator's side. It shows the green button to turn the controls on, the white button to turn the saw blades on, stop and start, as well as the trim cut feature button. An emergency stop gives the adequate security for working the machine. Here we see both vertical and horizontal clamping cylinders that hold the workpiece perfectly in place. And as seen before, those 4 rubber pad cylinders can be adjusted in pairs on the left and right hand side. The saw blade assembly with both saw blades and the motors, the electrical motors, which can be seen in the back of the machine. Going to the left hand side, same clamping system assembly as on the right hand side, and everything works in pairs and can be adjusted in pairs. There is chip breakers installed that prevents the timber from chipping during and after the cut, especially on the retraction of the saw blade. For routing, the table opens on the left hand and on the right hand side, and gives the routing units free for processing the slots, the keyways for the Hoffmann key. There is one routing unit controlled by an automatic spindle which is sitting underneath this routing head. At the moment we are looking to the right hand side of the machine and going to the left hand side, which is just the same in the alternative direction. Coming back, see the scrap piece chute again, and going down to the machine to see the spindle drives and the motors that adjust the routing position. This is the left hand side, and here we see the right hand side. Limited switches, spindle drive and motor. The data comes from the control for both left and right positioning of the keyways. As well as the positioning of the keyways, we can adjust the routing depth of the keyways, which cannot be seen right here. To clamp the workpiece, for positioning it manually, you can use the foot pedal, which is attached to the machine with a cable and can be located as the operator wishes to do. Barcode reader, easily attached to the machine for easy use of the gun.